Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take a Tally backup in a zip file. Open Tally and select the company you want to back up, then access the backup option from the gateway of Tally. Choose a destination folder, enable compression if available, and give the backup a clear name. Verify the backup completes successfully and confirm the file size and contents before proceeding to export or copy. Before creating the zip, close active vouchers and reconcile any pending entries to avoid inconsistent backups. Check that the destination drive has enough free space for the compressed file and temporary files. Create a dedicated folder with a clear name including the company and date so you can find it later. If multiple companies exist, repeat this preparation for each to maintain organized and reliable backup sets. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They keep lunches tidy and prevent charger cables or receipts from getting messy when you work through backups. I linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use Tally's backup option and point it to your prepared destination folder to create the initial backup file. After backup completes, use your preferred file utility to compress the backup folder into a zip file for easier sharing or storage. Check the zip size and open it to confirm the expected files are present. Label the zip file clearly with the company and date for traceability and future restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.